our duty is to maintain those senior citizens which have given birth to us. And for them, as we know, in today's times, most of the families are not joint families. It's actually different families where senior citizens are living on the different stages. The people, the person, the students, they are living at a different zone. And in recent times, we have also known that the issue of the crime has risen against senior citizens. So what also we can maintain our natural health, what we can do, what's our duty. So on behalf that we have made such a step. First of all, mind map. What is mind map? Mind map is actually nothing but the thing, what is our strategy, what is our plan to make our senior citizens happy, to make the life of our senior citizens happy. For that we must know what all the senior citizens do, what all the senior citizens live, what all the things he is interested in, and what are his feelings. All these things we have shown you a day-to-day life structure of a senior citizen. First of all, amiable and dedicated to health. A senior citizen, as we know, is definitely dedicated to health. Dedicated to health, he's devoted to health, and always keep himself happy. As you can see, our senior citizen, he keep on doing some like oil on his body and different type of activity, yoga, exercise, in which he can do such things. Secondly, religious and devotional. He definitely a religious and a devotional person because it is only the basic thing on which he can survive. Secondly, motivation and inspirational. As we know that our senior citizens are the bulk of knowledge. They have a bulk of knowledge because they have an experience of at about 65 plus years. And we people just have a 28 plus years. Definitely we can't deny this fact that the senior citizens have a bulk of knowledge and it's our gratitude to receive that knowledge from them. So that's why it is their motivation and inspiration. Lonely and still family. As I have repeated the fact that the senior citizens are living alone in alone houses and the children are staying apart from them, so they are lonely but still in a family. Still in a family. Senior citizens have the quality that they can adjust in any type of environment. They can adjust, they can be friendly with anyone of the family.
So do these qualities and do all of these aspects reflect in your design?
Which kind of?
All these observations.
Yeah.
Do they influence your design?
Definitely, they influence our design. These are the particular thing which a senior citizen used to do. They have its emotion. But in our design, we have designed it if they fall sick, if anything happens to them while they are staying alone, what all the things we can do. Secondly, in a small part, we have shown the technological advancement. Suppose I have stated the topic of loneliness. How to remove his loneliness for a particular time? He can use the updated social network and technology. Most of the senior citizens in our country, we know that they use social media. And as per the fact, Facebook, Google, it has been estimated that more than 60% of the Indian people use Facebook, Google. And senior citizens could take a part of it so that they could not feel lonely. They could be connected to someone. Strict rules and have to take medicine. These are the particular things and particular attributes which senior citizens have. Spreading their knowledge, they could spread their knowledge around the world through microphone blogging sites. They could connect to Skype. Now it's the advanced medical alert. If a person falls sick, what are the advanced medical alert? What are the things that we can do for him? First of all, being an engineer, you must concentrate on the technological aspects. Technical aspects is nothing but other than the social sites, the website that we can develop. It is a global website that we can develop in which every citizen of the world can include his entry by paying some amount of fee. By paying some amount of fee today, in which he can just diagnose his disease, he can just give the details of his disease and the prescription that he got from the doctor. He can include into that, and this website will give a message alarm to that particular person on his number that you have to take such kind of medicine on these days, you have to take such precautions, you have to eat this, you have to eat that, everything will be decided by the website. Secondly, we have a mobile phone. Mobile phone is nothing but the device which will definitely interact with the website. Second one is the headphone. Headphone is a particular thing in which there is a difficulty for a senior citizen that they could not read English language. There is many difficulty with the Indian senior citizens. They could not read the English language. This is a headphone which can translate the mobile English language to Hindi language. We can use that. And this is the headphone which is used to listen to that particular thing. They could listen to it and they could apply this in their particular thing. The wristwatch. Wristwatch is nothing but a special kind of wristwatch which consists of thermistor, a strain gauge. Thermistor is a device which consists of, which have a negative coefficient of We have studied. Suppose a senior citizen is suffering with a fever. The temperature of the body will increase, and due to the increase in temperature of the body, the resistance of the thermistor will decrease. And due to the decrease in the temperature, we can easily note down at what temperature the human body is, and we can note down, okay, this much fever is given on the person. Nextly, the vibration alert. If a message is received to the mobile and the senior citizen is unknown of the message, unknown of the tone, he will have a vibration tone on the wrist. Vibration on the wrist, and he can feel the vibration. That's why he could get alerted that there is a message on the phone. Okay. Next thing about the watch is that if in any case, in any panic situation, in any robbery situation or murder situation, if the pulse of the human being, if the pulse of senior citizen increases or decreases, it can easily detect. And nextly, the stick. If or I want to hear my message again. That what message do I got from the website? I could easily press the button on the stick and I could hear the message again. But the thing is that these are the technological aspects that we have shown in our chart to help a human being. But in reality, in a practical life, everyone is a human being and everyone needs love, everyone needs care, everyone needs attention. It's our moral duty to provide with them all the things. It is just a next step to describe what all we can do. But the basic thing, we must not lack it. Thanks.
Okay, now my analysis of whatever you presented.
Okay.
I mean, hats off to you for doing all this, these sketches and these aspects, because these are very, not only motion, very value-based aspects that you picked up.
Yeah.
Now, I would have liked that if I took a persona, these aspects and this, it is matched more.
Okay.
It is matching, but it's not matching. I mean, you picked up very nice value-based aspects, but it still has to reflect a bit more in your design. Another thing is that you talked about a mobile phone and a Is there a need for a separate mobile phone and a headphone? Can they be combined together?
They could be combined together, but the mobile phone, it can be used for other purposes also, other than the listening.
I'm not contending with it. You've done everything right. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm just trying to push your thinking more. Okay? Maybe the mobile phone itself has a component which can. So in terms of backups also, your design sort of approach is very good.
Thank you.
The only thing is that you picked a very nice emotional aspect. Staying alone and not staying alone and giving them more time and giving them very detailed answers. Now whatever details you picked up there, I just wish that you start reflecting it more, and it will come with time. It's just a one-day exercise. You start reflecting it more and more. Like, for example, if the watch is there, we talked about vibration, we talked about certain messages and everything like that. The watch to the stick or the headphone to the stick in some manner.
Yeah, there is no big problem in that, because in engineering,
Not technology. Let's not talk technology. Let's not talk technology first. All I want to break in your, I'm sorry to say, engineering mindset is start thinking of emotions. Technology which becomes successful around us. If you've seen Apple's example, if you've seen Angry Birds or anything which becomes successful, there's a very strong emotional connect to it. You agree with that? Okay. So before jumping into your engineering exercise, I would like you to have this and this together with you. So whenever you should detail out these products now. In the spare time, take the watch connected to the headphone. Language conversion is one thing which is very nice. What else can you take from the headphone back to the mobile and moving to the headphone or to the stick or whatever? Maybe you can come up with a new product altogether, which is not connected to medication as such. I was thinking a very simple thing, and look at this stick. If the stick itself had certain a pipe in it, and the medicines were stacked, and every pipe had a different color or a ring, there were rings in the stick, and you opened the ring and you took your medicine out and you had your medicine. Now the stick itself is an object, but it's a pill box itself. You are taking it everywhere. It's a non-technology example.
Non-technology, yeah.
Your watch could do the same thing. A big watch. Maybe a mobile has a small compartment for the medicines, and that medicine box is connected back to the phone, and it keeps some sort of a number. Now you guys don't think that I'm trying to negate engineering anywhere.
Okay.
you guys can actually make it happen. We are designers, we can just think about it. You guys can actually make it happen. You have an upper hand tools. So take this value-based thinking, take these emotional aspects, detail out these guys. Okay? And don't always think of technology in isolation. Okay, the technology can achieve it fine, but what is it trying to achieve emotionally? If you make the scenarios you are very clear with the persona, you'll be very good and you can do this even better.